What if every meeting you attended automatically turned into organized notes, summaries, action items, and searchable transcripts without you typing a single word? No more scrambling to write things down. No more forgetting key decisions. No more wondering who said what. In this video, we're breaking down AI note-taking devices, smart recorders that capture conversations and instantly turn them into structured insights. And we'll spotlight one of the most popular options on the market right now, Plaud AI recording devices. Let's dive in. Let's start with the reality of meetings today. Most people either take messy notes they never revisit, rely on memory, or record meetings but never transcribe them. That creates three big problems: lost information, details slip through the cracks, poor follow-through, action items get forgotten, wasted time, meetings happen but execution stalls. AI note-taking devices solve this by doing three things simultaneously: recording the meeting, transcribing it in real time or afterward, summarizing key insights automatically. Instead of being the note-taker, you get to be fully present in the conversation and still walk away with perfect documentation. AI note-taking devices are hardware recorders powered by AI transcription and summarization software. They combine high-quality microphones, cloud-based speech-to-text, natural language processing, and automated structuring tools. Once the meeting ends, you don't just get a wall of text, you get clean transcripts, bullet point summaries, action items, key decisions, speaker separation, searchable archives. This turns conversations into business intelligence, not just recordings. And these devices work everywhere: in-person meetings, sales calls, coaching sessions, conferences, phone calls, Zoom meetings, even spontaneous hallway conversations. One of the most talked about devices in this category right now is Plaud AI, so let's walk through how it works. Plaud AI makes ultra-compact AI-powered recording devices designed specifically for professionals who want frictionless note-taking. Their most popular product is the Plaud Note, which is about the size of a credit card and magnetically attaches to the back of your phone or notebook. Here's what makes Plaud stand out: one-tap recording. You press a single button and it instantly starts recording. No app navigation, no setup delay. High-fidelity microphones. It captures clear audio in meetings, calls, and conversations, even in noisy environments. Automatic transcription. After recording, Plaud uploads the audio to its cloud platform where AI converts speech to text. Smart summaries. Instead of raw transcripts, Plaud generates meeting summaries, key points, action items, follow-ups, and topic segmentation. Speaker detection. It separates speakers automatically, making transcripts readable and usable. Cross-device sync. Everything syncs to the Plaud mobile and web apps, so you can search, export, or share instantly. In short, Plaud turns real-world conversations into structured, searchable business assets. Let's walk through what actually happens when you use an AI note-taking device like Plaud. Step 1. Record the meeting. You place the device on the table, attach it to your phone, or clip it to your notebook and hit record. Step 2. Audio capture and storage. The device records locally, then syncs to the cloud once connected. Step 3. Speech-to-text transcription. AI models convert the audio into written text with high accuracy. Step 4. Language understanding and structuring. The system identifies key topics, decisions, tasks, and questions, and follow-ups. Step 5. Output delivery. You receive a clean transcript, a concise executive summary, a task list, and shareable documentation. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing notes after a meeting, you spend 0 and get better results. Let's look at how professionals actually use AI note-taking devices in real-world scenarios. For sales teams, sales reps record discovery calls and demos, then receive deal summaries, customer pain points, objection tracking, follow-up recommendations. This allows managers to review conversations, coach reps, and improve close rates without joining every call. For coaches and consultants, sessions are automatically turned into session summaries, client action plans, progress documentation, Instead of writing recap emails manually, everything is generated instantly. For executives and leadership teams, board meetings and strategy sessions become decision logs, action item trackers, searchable historical archives. No more asking, "What did we decide last month?" For students and researchers, lectures and interviews become organized notes, topic summaries, keyword searchable study guides. This dramatically improves retention and study efficiency. For content creators and podcasters, record conversations, brainstorming sessions, or interviews and instantly get show notes, quotes, episode summaries, content outlines. It turns raw conversation into publishable material. You might ask, why not just use a phone app or Zoom transcription? Here's why dedicated AI note-taking devices outperform software-only solutions. Faster access, one-button recording, no friction. Better microphones, clearer audio quality, works offline, no connectivity required during recording. Distraction-free, no notifications interrupting sessions, always available, you're never fumbling with apps. Devices like Plaud make capturing conversations as easy as flipping a switch, which dramatically increases usage consistency. And consistency is where the real productivity gains come from. One of the biggest questions around AI recording devices is privacy, and rightly so. Platforms like Plaud include encrypted storage, user-controlled data access, consent controls, local recording options, cloud security protections. However, it's critical to always inform participants when recording. Follow state and country consent laws. Use devices ethically and transparently. When used properly, these tools improve documentation while maintaining trust and compliance. Let's talk ROI. If an employee spends 15 minutes per meeting writing notes, attends 3 meetings per day, that's nearly 4 hours per week lost to documentation. AI note-taking devices eliminate most of that, while improving accuracy and recall. But the real ROI comes from better follow-through, fewer missed details, stronger accountability, faster decision-making, higher quality knowledge retention. This isn't just about saving time, it's about upgrading how organizations think, communicate, and execute. If you're evaluating AI note-taking devices, here's what to prioritize. 1. Audio quality. 2. Transcription accuracy. 3. Summary intelligence. 4. Speaker separation. 5. Cloud syncing. 6. Export formats. 7. Search functionality. 8. Battery life. 9. Privacy controls. And 10. Ease of use. Plaud stands out because it scores highly across all 10, especially ease of use and summary quality. Where this technology is going is even more exciting. Soon, AI note-taking devices will automatically update CRMs, populate project management tools, generate follow-up emails, trigger workflows, surface insights across organizations, create knowledge graphs from conversations. In other words, meetings won't just be recorded, they'll become active data streams feeding your business systems in real time. Devices like Plaud are the early infrastructure for that future. AI note-taking devices are transforming meetings from memory-based conversations into structured, searchable intelligence. Instead of writing notes, you focus on people. Instead of forgetting details, you retrieve them instantly. Instead of meetings creating confusion, they create clarity. And tools like Plaud AI show how powerful and accessible this technology has already become. If you want to get more information on Plaud AI, I've left a link below in the description. If you want smarter meetings, better follow-through, and dramatically higher productivity, AI note-taking devices may be the most underrated upgrade you can make this year. If this helped you understand how AI note-taking devices work, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.